Hello, welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, and this is your September 2019 Double Shot Kit. The Double Shot Kit includes 2 collections every single month, including cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. Everything you need to get scrapbooking. You'll also receive 2 recipe cards for 2 double-page layouts, one for each one of the 2 collections designed by the design team, with cutting and assembly instructions and also a full-color photograph of the finished layout. So you can copy what they've done or go off on your own. You'll also find lots of inspiration on the blog and the Facebook group, as well as challenges to win some great prizes. So be sure to come on by and check us out. This month, the 2 collections are Pink Fresh Office Hours and Pink Paisley Truly Grateful. So you can see they both have some really fun, cheerful color schemes and icons. Perfect to scrap every day. You can also scrapbook school since it's just started, your work, or some daily routines. The ideas are endless. So let's take a closer look at each one of these collections. Our first collection, Office Hours from Pink Fresh, is definitely geared towards the office, but you could absolutely scrapbook back to school photos, starting a new job. Even doing just a layout of your daily routines would be a lot of fun. You're going to receive 2 sheets of white cardstock, 1 sheet of Lagoon, and your 3 pattern papers. We're going to start with Hard Work, so it has a graph, there's a ruler off to the side, and then clocks and pie charts. So again, perfect to use as a background page to document what you do throughout the day, or your child's back to school, or even document about your job. Think how fun that's going to be later on in years for your kids to look back at what you do during the day, or how you work, or just endless possibilities of documenting about our time. The back has a geometric design with a little floral in a light blue. Then we have this one called Plan, and it has staplers, scissors, rulers, all kinds of office equipment, as well as school supplies. This would also be cute to use for cards for someone that's starting a new job possibly, or a back to school card. The back is this light blue stripe with the charcoal polka dots. This paper called Busy has all of the little cut apart journaling cards. These would also be great on the front of cards. And then all of the great spaces to include journaling on layouts. The back is a pink with a small darker pink polka dot. As you can see, the colors are really fun and cheerful in this collection. For your embellishments, you're going to receive half of the sticker sheet. So this was the half that I received, but there's lots of labels, more little journaling spots, some banners, words and phrases. And then a fifth a pack of the ephemera. So these will vary as well, but there's, again, those same icons, little journaling spots, cup of coffee, keyboard, those clocks and pie charts that you see throughout this collection. So that's Pink Fresh Office Hours. Our next collection, Truly Grateful from Pink Paisley, was designed by Paige Evans, so it's going to be full of florals and full of color. And this is absolutely gorgeous. So to start with, we have 1 sheet of Geyser and 2 sheets of denim cardstock. The pattern paper, this one, number 5, are these beautiful butterflies and the leaves on the minty green. And the back is a coordinating blue. Paper 9 is this beautiful paper that's full of all of the different patterns in the collection, and it's designed kind of like a quilt block. This would be fun behind a digital die cut, just to have all the different colors showing through. The back is a beautiful blue floral. Paper 19 is the rainbow of florals, and the back is a rainbow colorful plaid. All of these have the full branding strips as well, so you get a little extra design there. For your embellishments, you're going to get a 1/6 a pack of the puffy phrases. So these will vary, but they're going to have some words as well as some icons. So there's some hearts and stars and just dots. And then a fourth a pack of the ephemera. So those will vary, but I have a tag, a little wreath that's made up of leaves and butterflies. And then you're also going to receive a fifth a pack of the epoxy wood buttons. So these will vary as well, but some of the centers have flowers and butterflies and fruit, and then some that's just the dot in the center. So you can see lots of color, really fun collection. Perfect to scrapbook everyday moments, as well as your family, even your pets. Some celebrations if you have birthdays or just anniversaries or whatever. This collection's perfect for it all. So I know you're going to love it. So one more look at your double shot kit for this month. If you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, be sure to click that subscribe button so you'll be notified when new videos are revealed. Check out some of the other kits available from the Scrap Room. If you want more collections, then be sure to check out the flavors of the month. We also have a card kit and a pocket page scrapbooking kit, as well as many items in the store that you'll want to check out. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.